me, they're usually always telling me, go get some rest. You need some rest. I wake up after 16 hours, go downstairs, and my kids, Baba, you need rest. You go get some rest, you know. I had a bunch of handymen in the house. They were like moving stuff around, and there were 3 people in the house trying to move a heavy bed. And I heard their request, and I went downstairs. I said, I'm going to help them. And they looked at me, and they said, why don't you go get some rest? We'll get your wife help us. She is here. Maybe she can just help us to go get some rest. Like, I'm always looking like this. I don't know. There's some undiagnosed illness or something going on. I'm always looking sick. But this gives hope to my patient. When they see me, they're like, if he can make it, we can make it. If he is walking and talking, looking like this, we are definitely going to be okay. One of my patients told me, oh, you just look like my cardiologist. I said, okay. Was he also from Pakistan and tall and handsome? He said, no, he had tuberculosis. He died 2 years ago. I said, okay. I was expecting something better.